Okay, say hi.
Hi guys.
What are we going to be making today?
Easter slime.
Easter slime.
slime.
Okay, we got all of our
So
ingredients here. We have all these eggs that we're going to be opening and seeing what's inside.
Yep.
Okay, Priscilla, can you go ahead and pour half of the bottle of glue?
All of it?
Just half.
Come on. Is that enough? All it. Everybody pours all the glue in, and then the whole thing, and then they throw into the trash.
Okay, go ahead and pour all of it. Okay. Put it to the side.
It's glue.
All right, Katerina, you want to open our first egg and see what's inside?
Glitter.
Nope, that's what the scissors are for. Cut it open carefully.
Is it my turn to open the egg?
Yep, in a minute. Okay, go ahead and pour it into the slime.
Caramel. Can I spin it this time?
Nope, not yet. Okay, Priscilla, go ahead and pick an egg. What did you get?
Oh, look at that one. It was purple. I saw that one.
Okay, go ahead and open it up.
Can I close my egg?
Ooh, that's pretty.
Can I spin it now?
Nope, not yet. Okay, Katerina, pick another egg.
I'll choose this tiny egg.
Big egg. Here, no. Open it over the bowl.
Why?
Because there's stuff inside. I don't want it to spill. Okay, go ahead and open it. Ooh, it's Easter grass. Ooh, it's pretty Easter grass. It's teal. Okay,
Where's the spoon?
Priscilla, go
You
ahead
gotta calm
and
down.
Priscilla, go ahead and open yours. Ooh,
Looks like candy.
those are little foam balls. Ooh, they're pastel. They're Eastery. Nice.
Is it tiny?
Okay,
Won't fill.
Katerina, go ahead and choose an egg.
Just tell me to pick one.
Okay, go ahead and open your egg, Katerina. Okay, go ahead and open it and pour it over.
Cute. Ah, squishy.
Okay, Priscilla, it's your turn.
I'm
ahead and choose
opening all
an
the
egg.
big ones. And I'm opening all the little ones.
Okay. Careful. Here, maybe open that one on the table. See what's in there. Ooh. That's okay.
Can I pour it? Together.
Teamwork. Ooh, it's pretty. Okay, we got one more egg. Katerina, are you gonna open it? Okay, what is it?
It's stars.
Ooh, it's stars.
The scissors are. We'll make a.
Careful. Okay, now all the ingredients is in. Priscilla, go ahead and get the red food coloring. Okay, open it. Now we're gonna make the slime somewhat
drops?
pink. Go ahead and put 4 drops.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, was like 7 drops, but that's okay. That's okay. Go ahead and set it to the side. And pour in.
Baking soda?
Yep.
All of it?
Mm-hmm. Sprinkle it. Oop, or that. Okay, go ahead and get the contact solution. Whoop. All right. Now, Kitty, go ahead and start stirring it.
Yay.
Stir it slowly. We don't want it to fall out of the bowl.
I'm sure this is a great slime.
It's very, what is it, Priscilla? What would you call it?
Easter A-B-A.
Eastery? It's very Eastery.
No. It'll name Rainbow Easter.
Rainbow Easter.
Spin for days.
Ozma's very interested. It's not food, Ozma.
She thinks it's rainbow food.
Okay, we have made slime. Check it out, girls. Ooh. Look at that Easter slime.
It's stuck.
That's cool. Ooh. Go ahead and put the spoon to the side, Priscilla.
Right here?
Yep, go ahead and check out the slime. Pull it up in a big, like, curtain. Let me see what it looks like. Pull it up.
It looks like there's hair in here.
It's Easter grass.
Oh, it is. That's why it's stuck.
Ooh.
Help me, guys.
Ooh.
Play.
Yes.
What sign is this?
This is cool.
Green sign, my favorite.
Okay, now we got some slime out of the container. Let's really check it out.
This is what people do, like this.
Like that?
Yeah,
Ooh.
fast and a little bit slow. They do this
On the So
sometimes.
Satisfying videos?
And then they do this, roll into a part and do like a burrito, then smush it. And
Pull it up, Priscilla. Let's check it out. Ooh. Kitty, don't get it stuck on the egg. This stuff is cool. Let me see.
Mom, cut it.
Pull it.
Oh, I smashed my finger.
Ooh.
What happens if we cut it?
Yes.
What happens if we cut it?
Stuff is cool.
Ow! These stars are traitors.
Okay, that was our slime video.
Thank you for watching our video. Subscribe to your channel.
Say bye.
Bye. Hit that subscribe.
Say hit that like button.
Hit that like button.
Kitty,
Thank you.
say hit that like button.
So